The AR1748, the Tow-Behind Aerator. This is how it comes once you get it off the crate. A couple things to note. Your manual is strapped here. The tow bar extension with the 5/8 pin hitch is strapped on this side, and your controller for the electric lift is here. You have a magnetically mounted toggle switch 3-way controller to lift and lower the tines. The only thing that's missing here is if you ordered it with the weight box, that comes, insert picture here, but in a little package that you'll have to assemble that and mount it on top here. And that's how the AR1748 arrives.